My name is Dr. Traver Maxwell. I've been a general dentist now for 20 years. Practice here in Denver, Colorado. The treatment that we provide is called the 3-on-6. We place 6 implants with 3 bridges per arch. They are as permanent as we can get. You don't have to have them removed once or twice a year to be cleaned like some of the other processes or treatments that are out there. They feel as close as we can get to natural teeth as possible. They look like they are your teeth coming out of your gums. We try to conserve as much bone as we possibly can. We're not removing bone to make room for artificial gums, and we try to get your gums to grow in and around those teeth to look and feel like your teeth. Having done the All-on-4 or the All-on-X prior to this, the results are amazing. These feel like your teeth coming out of your gums. I've had patients tell me they've been promoted at work. I've had patients tell me they got a new job because of this. But all of them tell me that their confidence is back, their smile is back, their happiness is back. So it's been very rewarding to be able to offer this to our patients.
It was something that I'd never heard of.
All of a sudden 3-on-6 started popping up on the internet everywhere.
And I found out 3-on-6 is what I really want.
I made an appointment and went in and met with Dr. Maxwell and the Smile Clinic, and the 3-on-6 just was like, that's exactly for me.
I shopped around, I did my research. This made the most sense, and when it was fully explained and the pricing was given to me, I was convinced that this was the way I needed to go.
I needed teeth, and I knew dentures weren't going to be for me, but I had heard on All-on-4. I studied it online. It wasn't for me.
The way I used to have All-on-4 and didn't work for me. I worked for 10 years and it wasn't what I wanted.
I had a lot of bone loss and I had a lot of missing teeth in the back. But then I found a 3-on-6 and I said, that's it. I have to do that.
But I love it that your teeth go up to your gums, and that's been amazing to me.
It was better health-wise. It was better than having your jawbone shaved down. I knew what I wanted because I could not have a permanent denture in my mouth. I couldn't do it. The best part about it is the way this surgery is done for the 3-on-6, and you have your own gum line. My gums have healed perfectly over the tops of my teeth that it actually looks like my natural teeth, but better.
I love my new teeth. My new teeth are awesome. Like they are, they feel like real teeth. I don't have a big, like a mouthpiece in or nothing like that, no extra gums.
They really treat people very good.
That's what I appreciate more than anything, is the honesty.
He made me feel very at home and comfortable and was very thorough in explaining everything regarding the process, all of the financial side of it, the benefits later, and the upkeep of the teeth later.
8 a.m. was my surgery, resting in my bed at 7 taking selfies. So that's how good I was feeling.
They knocked me out, I woke up, and then the very next day after that, I went back to work.
It's amazing that I can chew and I can eat and I can smile.
It's life-changing. More self-esteem, more confidence, smile more, well worth every penny.
If your doctor tells you that the All-on-4 is a Cadillac, then this is a Ferrari. They're fantastic, see?
They're beautiful.
I've had an awesome experience with Dr. Maxwell.
Dr. Maxwell was upfront, straightforward. He'd let you know everything that was going to happen.
I would totally recommend it to anybody and everybody.
If you're thinking about getting, permanent teeth, right? Real lifelong permanent teeth, do some research, look into it. The 3-on-6 is the way to go. It's state of the art.
I would highly recommend you come in and see us. We offer a free consultation. We will take a 3D x-ray of your bone, let you know if you are a candidate for this. We'll walk you through the procedure, what to expect at each step in this process. We'll help you with financing. We'll do what we can to get you going, getting your smile back and your health back. Come in for that consultation. We do have a few different financing options that we can walk you through and hopefully help you get the financing that you need to get this done.